Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, first and foremost, just thank you so much for all the support from the day one. I appreciate each and every one of you guys still sticking around, coming and supporting my channel. I love you all. Let's get right in today's topic. We're going to be talking about what is happening with Vechain and where the price could be going in the immediate short term. I know a lot of people are spreading insane amount of FUD around Vechain because, it has not pumped up. And again, these are the same people that want instant gains. If that's the case, the cryptocurrency market is quite broad, so you can go look elsewhere, all right? We don't want negativity. That's why you want to diversify your portfolio, not just invest, everything in one project, basically what I'm saying, if you cannot bear with patience. But now we're going to be talking about the analysis on Vechain, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at 0.022 cents. We're down about 1.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 1.9% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. So looking at its market cap, still sitting above $1.6 billion with the 24-hour trading volume also currently sitting at $41.2 million. Now we're obviously going to analyze the chart, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So obviously, first and foremost, we're looking at the price. It is currently sitting at 2.2 cents. And where are we sitting at? We're sitting literally at the level of support, which we have built up over the past few months. You guys can see since May. So we're almost approaching 1 year now, guys. We're almost approaching 1 year mark where we've seen the price of Vechain consolidate below this massive level of resistance, which is at that 3.3 cents mark. So basically, in short words, what this means is, Vechain has been consolidating within this range for almost 1 year. And, a lot of people are going to say, oh man, Vechain is consolidating. What is this? It's not moving up. We're seeing Pepe going absolutely insane and certain coins out there that are outperforming the markets. But why don't you guys do this? Go look at the broader picture of the cryptocurrency market and see whether or not majority of the altcoins are still not, still haven't left their consolidation phase. If you guys watch my videos on this channel on a daily basis, you guys can see this for yourself. You can see the similar patterns that is among all these altcoins, and we can see we have been consolidating within this range, and that is quite normal because we're running. When we're in a bear market, this is where that boring momentum comes in. And now you may be saying, what, are we still in a bear market for altcoins? Absolutely. Yes, Bitcoin and the entire market is, in the positive momentum. Bitcoin is definitely has started this entire bull cycle. But altcoins, why do I continue to say altcoin season? Because altcoin season is a real thing. That's where Bitcoin kind of chills down and altcoins start exploding. And that is definitely not the case when you're looking at the BTC dominance. You can see BTC dominance index is still skyrocketing, seeing highs that we have not seen since August of 2021, guys. We're literally sitting at some levels for BTC dominance that we have not seen since August of 2021. Let that sink in. So what does that tell us? Majority of the momentum is still on Bitcoin side. Altcoins are yet to explode. But with that said, remember what happened last bull cycle? When no one, again, this is very similar. I've shared this with you guys before. A lot of people were very, very, losing their patience back around this range. And you guys know I've been covering Vechain around this time, and you guys can go watch my videos if you want to do so. So, a lot of people were losing their hope, and boom, all of a sudden, Vechain really started exploding, and look where things really started going insane for Vechain once we broke out of that 3.3 cents level of resistance. Where are we now? We're literally trying to break out of that zone. And despite that fact, despite all the uncertainty, all the hate, since the beginning of the year, Vechain is still up 42% 2%. Let that sink in. And, we did follow the Bitcoin momentum earlier this year when altcoin season was, part one of altcoin season. We did see Vechain make a massive move towards the upside, yet we were unable to break out of this level of resistance. But with that said, what is the next price move for Vechain? Are we about to see more downwards trend? Could we potentially retest the March lows, or is this where we turn around and start headed towards the upside? I've told you guys this before. Bitcoin should not be ignored. We need to look at that dominance very, very carefully. Obviously, if Bitcoin drops, we could potentially see us revisit these levels. We do have support built up around here, but you guys know my stance on Vechain. Look at what the project itself is doing. Similarities from a previous bull cycle consolidation phase to now. Same exact things happening in terms of investors' confidence. People tend to look elsewhere, go chase the next pump. But the ones that hold, these are the people that, will eventually make the massive gains when altcoin season does, come about. And remember, I always say this, Vechain in 2020, 2019 compared to now, it has expanded quite a bit. And, it's literally massive difference for that Vechain to now. And that shows the innovation has been happening. And, I've said this before and I'll say it again, clock is ticking. If you don't want to be part of the Vechain community anymore because you cannot take this anymore, guess what? No one is stopping you. No one is saying, no, don't leave. The door is right there. The door is right there. But for the Vechain holders, patience is your number one key to follow, guys. Like I said, look for yourself. Go look around the entire market. We're still in consolidation phase for altcoins, but when altcoin season does begin, that's where the fireworks will begin. And especially once we break out of this level of resistance, that's where a lot of people are going to FOMO into Vechain. But that is my current analysis on Vechain. Obviously, this is just my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.